In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync axes across worksheets in Tableau. This can be particularly useful when you want your data visualizations to maintain consistency across different views, ensuring that they are easy to interpret and compare. Let's dive into the steps on how to achieve this. First, you'll need to open the Tableau Public app. If you're not already familiar, Tableau Public is a free platform to explore, create, and publicly share data visualizations online, making it perfect for this exercise. Once you've launched the app, access the worksheet where your data resides. You'll need to select two specific worksheets that you want to sync. This is crucial because the effectiveness of this whole process hinges on choosing the right dataset views to sync. After selecting the worksheets, proceed to create a dashboard. Think of the dashboard as the canvas where you will place your synchronized data visuals. It essentially acts as a unified interface, displaying multiple views and keeping them in concert with one another. Once your dashboard is in place, head back to one of the sheets you've selected for synchronization. You're going to create a calculated field next. Naming this field logically will make it easy to identify in future use. Within the calculated field, type in your query, then click OK. Now, drag this newly created calculated field into the Details section of the worksheet. This action ensures that the field will be part of the visual element in focus, contributing to the correct synchronization of axes. Now, right-click on the axis you wish to sync and select Add Reference Line. This feature serves to add context to your data visualizations, highlighting specific values or marking the desired range. When you configure the reference line, make sure to change the axis reference to maximum and confirm by clicking OK. Doing this aligns one of your views with the correct axis reference point. For consistent results, repeat these steps on the other sheet. Simply drag the calculated field to Detail. Right-click the axis to add a reference line and adjust the axis reference to maximum. These mirror actions will help ensure both sheets are aligned as required. Return to your dashboard and make sure everything is in order. Finally, you might want to refine the appearance of your axis lines. Click on the axis and select Edit. You'll have the option to set both the label and line to None. This decision declutters your visualization, allowing the data to stand out without unnecessary annotations or lines. Repeat this on the other sheet as well to maintain a neat and professional look across your dashboard. That's it. You've successfully synchronized the axes across worksheets. This process not only boosts the coherence of your visualizations, but also ensures that comparisons are accurate and understandable, offering a seamless experience for your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide proves helpful in all your future data visualization endeavors with Tableau.